This is a traditional Romanian laundry method used since the Middle Ages, known as baltoare. The reason people still use this old method today is that it is much more efficient than modern machines. All you have to do is place the laundry in a large communal wooden tub set up in the village center, and the force of the water's flow and rotation naturally cleans the clothes. This method requires no electricity or water bills and is eco-friendly, even using natural detergent. The detergent is made from ash left over after burning wood, which contains potassium carbonate, a powerful agent for removing stubborn stains. Additionally, a wooden hammer powered by a water mill strikes the laundry, ensuring it is thoroughly cleaned. When not in use for washing, the tub serves as a bath or a place for the townspeople to gather and play in the water,